Hey guys, welcome back. Today, I'm going to be working on some carburetors. So these here are the carburetors. You got 6 of them. I'm going to pull each one and clean them all out again. Each one has 4 bolts and then 2 little screws. Let's get them off. Alright, comes right out. There you go. Got a gasket back here, don't lose that. Basically what this does is mixes your fuel and air for the engine. This here is your bowl. We're going to take that off. This fills with fuel. There's a float that tells how much fuel should be in there. Basically with these, they have to be completely clean, no dirt, no debris, nothing. Otherwise your engine's not going to run well. Mine's running awfully, so we're going to try this. Dump this fuel out. Alright, so I got this apart. Doesn't look terrible, but this is definitely got some shit collecting in there. I don't know if you can even see that. Yikes. But this is what the inside of your carburetor looks like. You got your float. How this works is it sits like this. This is your float. It sits in your bowl like that. And as your bowl fills with fuel, there's a little needle right here that this float tells when the bowl is full, when to add more, just like that. And then the rest of the stuff I have no idea, but somehow it mixes air and fuel just the right amount to run the engine. That's all I got. But we'll clean this out. So, got that, hit that spot in the front there. And it's completely clean. Not amazing, but there was crap in here. It's all gone. Got it out. I'll throw this back together and put it back on. Alright, well, I put that side back on. Just the initial one I took off when I did the other two. I just pulled this one off, and it just dumped fuel out when I pulled it off, so that's interesting. This is the one I pulled off. It just dumped fuel everywhere, so let's open this one up. Yeah, so that one, maybe that, yeah, there we go. That has a lot of crap right in here that collected. Not great. Not great. Alrighty. Got all of the carbs back on. That sucked. Let's see if it runs or if I made it worse. Yeah. Well, we're running. It sounds so much better. I think we're gonna leave it there today. Thanks for watching. Subscribe if you want to keep watching me fail at this rebuild. I think tomorrow or a few days from now we're gonna take it out and give it a sea trial, see if she'll go anywhere. Thanks for watching.